All right, welcome to this coding session on Dropout. So here we will apply the Dropout function to the Reuters simple dense neural network that we've built. So I'm gonna look up the file here. We have here simple dense neural network Reuters. So I'm gonna copy that file and then open the file. So this is our regular routine, and we will be able to easily tweak the code to show if Dropout has a benefit or not. So let us change the title first. So this is gonna be neural network with Dropout. It will be on Reuters. Simple dense neural network with Dropout. So let us now go to the layers here, and we know that we need to add a Dropout layer here, and let's choose 0.5 to start with. So now we're gonna run the code and see where our validation loss is the lowest. So let me check here. X train, Y train. So we're gonna run all the code up to this point. So runtime, run before. This will take a little bit of time. So you see that the lowest validation loss we have with 15 epochs. So let us now run this code. No change here. We're gonna add Dropout here, and we will add Dropout here as well. And then the number of epochs, let's try 15. Let's run it. Take a little bit of time, 15 epochs. So here you see the result is not as good as without Dropout. We can still try to change the Dropout percentage, put it a bit higher or a bit lower, sorry, 20% Dropout, and see where we end up. So let us rerun that code. Here we go. So here the lowest validation loss is this one, yeah, at 12 epochs. All right, so let's reduce this to 0.2 as well, and then the number of epochs gonna be 12. So let's run this now. So we see the result has improved, but it is still lower than the case without Dropout, and it is also still lower than what we achieved with logistic regression.